In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop Notion app notifications. So if you are receiving a lot of notifications from Notion app and you wish to go ahead and put an end to this, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. To do this, you need to go ahead and access Notion app info page. For this, just go ahead and long press on your app, and then you should see this option app info. Now, if you tap on this, you should be taken to this app information page on your phone. For this, I'm on Android smartphone. This process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Under the app info for Notion, scroll down to permissions section, and under permissions, head to notifications. If you tap on notifications, you can see all these types of notifications ranging from permanent notifications, vibrations, play sound, lock screen, as well as floating notifications are on. So this is the reason why you have been receiving those notifications. To turn them off, instead of turning one by one off here, just go ahead and turn off show notification button here by just tapping on it to toggle it. From now henceforth, you'll never again receive any pop-up notifications from this app unless you go ahead and toggle it on again. So that's how you can permanently stop Notion app notifications on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.